In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your very first FreeBSD droplet using DigitalOcean.com. So the first thing you should do is register for an account at DigitalOcean.com. And once you're logged in, click on the Droplets button, followed by the Create Droplet button here at the bottom. So once you have that done, go ahead and click on the FreeBSD OS here, and then click on the drop down for the release. This will allow us to select the release we would like, as well as choosing from the ZFS file system or the UFS file system. And we'll go ahead and choose the ZFS file system running 11.1 release, and then we can choose our billing tier and the specs for the server. So we will choose the $5 a month tier, which gives us access to these following specs. That's going to be 512 megs of RAM, 1 CPU core, 20 gigs of storage, and a terabyte of monthly data transfer. So once we have that selected, we can scroll down and choose the data center for the droplet. We'll choose San Francisco. That is fairly close to us. And then we can go ahead and add our SSH key to the server. So we'll do that by clicking the new SSH key button. And if you do not have a key, I'll quickly run through how to set that up for Linux. We'll do at the command line SSH-keygen. And we will generate a key pair. We'll go ahead and hit enter for this and not add a password, so we'll hit enter for that as well. And all we need to do now is go ahead and cat the public key file, which is located at in the SSH folder, and id_rsa.pub. Alright, so once we have that catted, go ahead and copy this and paste this into the DigitalOcean box, and we'll call this our desktop key. And we'll go ahead and add that key. And the last thing to do is we're going to give this machine a host name. So we'll call this machine testbox.teachnixlab.com. And we'll click create, and that will go ahead and start creating the actual machine. So this process takes about 1 minute. And while that's doing that, I'll go ahead and show you some of the various options you have for the droplet. We'll click on the droplet here. And so we do have on the left side access to various things. We can access the power and restart the machine. We can add block storage through the volumes tab, networking, destroy the machine, add tags, all sorts of various things here. So we'll explore all those in different videos. But for now, I just want to get the machine up and running, and then I'll show you how to connect to the machine here. So it looks like it is created here. The droplet has been created according to the pop-up. Let's go ahead and copy the IPv4 address here. And we'll go back to our terminal and we'll do SSH root at this IP address. And what we should see is it should allow us to log into this without a password, because we do have our key added to the machine. And we'll go ahead and click yes here. And it looks like we are logged in. So there you have it. This is your first FreeBSD droplet. Logging in with an SSH key. So I do hope to see you in the next video.